Hey there, tech and fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to Trend TV. Today we're exploring the latest in wearable tech, the Apple Watch Series 11 Nike Edition. It's the perfect combination of style, performance, and innovation, designed for athletes and fitness lovers alike. Let's dive in. The Nike edition of the Apple Watch Series 11 takes the smartwatch experience to the next level. Whether you're a runner, a gym enthusiast, or just someone who loves a sporty aesthetic, this watch is built for you. Exclusive Nike design. The Nike edition comes with exclusive watch faces inspired by Nike's signature style. It also features perforated bands made with lightweight, breathable materials, perfect for workouts. Advanced fitness metrics. From tracking your VO2 max to personalized coaching plans, the Series 11 Nike Edition integrates with Nike Run Club and Apple Fitness Plus to push your workouts to the limit. MicroLED display. The new MicroLED display ensures crystal clear visibility, even in bright sunlight. So, whether you're running in the park or on the track, your stats are always easy to see. watchOS 11. Integration. With the latest watchOS 11, you get enhanced fitness widgets, real-time stats, and seamless syncing with your other Apple devices. Durability and performance. This edition is built to endure. With enhanced water resistance and a faster processor, it's your ultimate workout companion, no matter how intense your sessions get. The Apple Watch Series 11 Nike Edition is expected to hit the market in September 2025 alongside the main Series 11 lineup. Pricing is likely to start at $429, making it a premium yet practical choice for fitness enthusiasts. What sets the Nike Edition apart is its focus on fitness and style. With exclusive features, enhanced metrics, and a sporty design, this watch is tailor-made for those who live an active lifestyle. So, are you ready to take your fitness game to the next level? Let us know what you think about the Nike edition of the Apple Watch Series 11 in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to your channel name, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the latest in tech and fitness. See you next time.